Do you have any other questions before I stop the recording?
No. So I guess my main question is setting realistic goals for yourself. I guess that's what I really wanted to ask. Like, you kind of see the montages on YouTube, like, oh wow, they got great really quickly. I'm still like,
I know.
Is it just a matter of like just keep sticking at it and working through?
So if I asked you, what would your dream song be to play on guitar?
Probably Brothers in Arms.
Oh, lovely. Yeah, that's a nice one. Okay, so I won't butcher the song here. I know it very roughly. What's the so these miscolored mountains. Dun, 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 dun. So whatever your dream song is, you basically look at it, you take out the ingredients of the song. So it's bar chords, it'll be fingerstyle, and then some nice, these are scales called pentatonic scales. And so you'd have pentatonic scales, you'd have fingerstyle, you'd have bar chords. Now, so for setting realistic goals with respect to your dream song, I'd go learning bar chords, the four major shapes. I would learn pentatonic minor scales. I can stick a few up on the channel as well. And keep going with that fingerstyle. Although it's different, your fingers are still getting to work out. And then the last thing is I would start learning some of the easier Dire Straits type songs. If there's such thing as easy Dire Straits, most of them are mad. But start off with those, and then you'll build up towards Brothers in Arms, and and keep going with other artists as well. I've taught some students who pick one song and they get so focused on it, but the big thing you want to see is progress, momentum, and you have the clarity on what you want to do, which is great. So I hope, does that answer your question?
Yes. Yeah.
Delhi, Ramzi. Delhi, man.